Hello guys.
Hello, sir.
So where is my turn?
Only Sia. Hi, sir.
Hi sir.
Sir, can you tell me that what is the importance of money in our life?
Okay, I tell you. Means you want to know that what is money, what we can do by money. First, I want to tell you, money is that thing by which we can purchase that thing which is very expensive more than more. We can purchase anything by money. If no one purchase that thing by money, we can purchase, means that is any type of, means more than more, means that is more than more. So by money we can purchase, all person die for money, because of it is a that thing by which we need in our life. So means it is money.
We can purchase everything by
Everything
money.
we can purchase, means we should have that, means lots of money for that, purchase that.
Can we purchase Taj Mahal, Lal Killa,
But
these things?
it is a natural thing, means by rupees, by money we cannot purchase those things, because of it made by, means it made by some means persons. So how we can purchase this?
Yeah, we can purchase
We can
everything. We can purchase everything you said. As we purchase benches, it is also made by someone. And
can-
also Lal Killa and Taj Mahal, it
Okay,
also made
but
by
we
someone.
can purchase that thing which is by which we can go anywhere, means that is by car, aeroplane, train. We can purchase these type of things by money.
But someone was saying that we can purchase everything. How we can purchase everything?
But we cannot purchase everything, but we can purchase something by, means which is in our mind. We can purchase that thing. If I want to purchase, means building, so I can purchase very easily, but I should have money, lots of money for purchase building.
So how we can get money?
Means by working hard, and by doing working we can get money how much we want. If you want to earn money, so then you will have to work hard how much you can do. If I talk that if you want to earn, if you want to earn 1,000 in a day, so you will have to do something for 1,000, and then, means after 1,000, after earning 1,000, so you will spend something. It is a thing. If we purchase, we have to spend something from
What
them.
should we work hard for money?
We should work hard. If you didn't work hard in study, so you will have to do in future. You will have to decide that what I should do present, and what I will do in future. So means if you didn't work hard in present, so you will have to do work hard in future. Means if you did work hard in present, like as study, and if you get job, so you will have to live in enjoy. If you didn't work hard, so you will have to do something in future.
So with study we can earn money.
We can earn money very easily if we work hard in study, so then we can earn money easily. If I give you example, if I want to go anywhere, means to take job, I will have to study, and I will have to do something from there, and there we will have to do, we will have to see some type of job. So we have to study, and then if we didn't get job, we will have to try again and again. One day we will get, but we should not do this work. Now I have tired, I don't want to get job, so we should not do this type work.
So only by study only we can earn money. But
Right.
I saw many person that they didn't study,
But still,
but still they are earning.
yeah, it can, because of they didn't work hard in present, they have to do in future. They can earn money, they are earning, but means which work they are doing. They are doing beldari, they are doing this type of work.
Okay, as you said that after study we also work hard for earning money.
Yeah.
So as you said that in Beldari they are working hard, but they are also plumber, lab, but they are also earning money in labor.
but they are earning. But you know how we have to do work for this work. How
But
we
who
have
are
to
the
do,
educated?
we have to
They
do,
are also working
we have
hard.
to do hard work more for earning money. Means okay, I give you example. If we get job, then we will have to do, means by rest. We can do anything. Means in this work we have to do, we have to go there and we have to go there. We will have to do this work by if we didn't work hard in present.
So in which sector we get more money?
Means I think that means in private and government we get both good money.
But in private we get more money, but in government there is there is correct salary only. But in private the salary increase. So
But
would you like to
I-
tell me that in which sector should we go, that by that we can earn more and much money?
Means first of all we should do government for government, and then if we didn't get, means if we didn't get government job, means like as army and police and air force, this type of work, if we didn't get, so it is a last chance when we get private job. It is a last chance.
So why mostly people are going for private job?
Because of they don't know how to work hard. Because means if they want to go in government sector, they can go very easily. But you know, they did first time and second time, they didn't do, they have tired, but they are not doing working for government. We have to do one day and one time and second time and three time we will not get, but one day we will get
But
government.
how the private sector are getting, how the private sectors are getting more money to government?
Because of means it is a work, it connects by work. If we are doing good work, so we will have to we should go in private. And if we don't want to do work hard, so we should go in government.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have I done my time?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.